let's turn these ingredients into this. Now let's get into the video and let me show you how to do it, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. Okay, so let's start off by adding some oil. Then after this, we're gonna add in our onion. We're gonna just cook it slowly, and then the brown is gonna happen when we add our garlic. But remember, cook this on like a medium heat. So if your stove is up to 6, it's somewhere between 4 and 3. As I'm cooking on this video, you're gonna see my pot on one side turn just a little bit darker. That was because the way my pot was placed, the heat was hitting just one side. I just wanna make sure that I address that before we go anywhere. And right here, I'm just gonna keep moving it. This is so that it doesn't burn on one side. So we're just gonna continue stirring it like this. Right here, we're adding our garlic. Now this is store-bought garlic. Now if you want to, you can use fresh garlic. I just cannot be bothered, but I do have a little machine that I bought that I think I'm gonna put in one of the videos, and maybe I'll go buy some garlic and then I'll show you me using it. I shouldn't have bought it, honestly. It was a gimmick, but I still bought it. But sometimes, buying gimmicks is nice. So right there, the garlic has cooked a little bit, but it's not burnt. But if you can see on the side, as I was saying, it's a little bit on the side there. You can see like some ones that have turned black. That's because it was being heat. And these are my spices. So this is just salt, black pepper, some chicken spice, and the stock cube. I used beef stock cube here. I just recently bought like a veggie stock. So instead of using like a beef one, you can just use the veggie one. They're so cheap. Like I saw that on a ShopRite. They were like around like 14 bucks. And then I'm adding my tomatoes. Now, this is a really budget-friendly recipe. Like, those times in January when you're like, oh, I don't have the money. Or, for students, I know how it feels eating noodles and then different types of noodles. And then cover it, of course, let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, as I was saying, this is a budget-friendly recipe. And if you stop right here, this is when you've made tomato gravy if you want. But of course, we're making beans, so that you get all that fiber in your system and you start polluting the air after that. Right here, we're adding in a can of beans. Now, if you have 2, you can add 2. And as I'm making this, mine is going to be thick, but if you want it a little bit more thinner, you just add water or stock, whichever one you want. But I'll just say, since we added like a cube of stock and that's a lot, you can add right here just some water, maybe like a 1/4 cup of water. And then you're gonna allow that to simmer again just so that it can cook nicely. So some of this liquid is coming from the tomato sauce that was in the beans, and some of the liquid coming from the tomatoes themselves. And then yeah, just right there, you're gonna mix it a little bit. Right here, it's done. Remember that the beans are already cooked. We cooked everything else, so you don't need to take the whole entire time making this. And that right there is our recipe, guys. I'm just gonna dish it out into like a nice little bowl. For eating, you can eat it with pap, you can eat it with rice, you can eat it with like spaghetti, anything that you want. You can eat it with anything, or you can eat it on its own, honestly. And that's the recipe, guys. So that's it. We've come to the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and until next time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like. Thank you. Bye.